my channel. I hope you're all well and having a lovely day wherever you are in the world. Now today I'm going to make and share with you my famous chocolate chip cookie recipe. Honestly, these are the best cookies I've ever had. They're so well balanced. They're light, they're fluffy, but they're still like a good sized cookie. Perfect. Honestly, perfection in a cookie form. I've tried every recipe out there and this is the one. Now I'm gonna leave all the method and ingredients in the description below for you guys to check out. So if you wanna follow along or wanna try this recipe, please go for it and tell me what you think. If you do give it a shot, what do we think of the cookies? I'd be very interested to know. And let's just get straight into it and make some lovely chocolate chip cookies. So in a medium bowl, I'm going to mix together the dry ingredients. So that is the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and the salt. Now I will just give that a slight stir through and leave that to the side because I will eventually be putting that into the butter sugar mixture. So the next step is to cream together the butter and the sugars. Now please don't be alarmed by the amount of sugar. We're here to make cookies, okay? We're here to make lovely, yummy, beautiful cookies, and sugar is involved, unfortunately. If you're here for a healthy cookie, this is not the recipe. We're not here for that. We're here for lovely, yummy cookies, and sugar is needed. So just close your eyes, pour it in, don't worry about it. Just forget about it, and girl math, once all the cookies are made and it's all distributed and spread out, the sugar doesn't even count, right? You know, it's way less per cookie. I don't want to do the math, but it's fine. It's fine, it tastes great, and that's the most important thing. Once that is all mixed together, then we will add in the eggs and the vanilla extract and beat that until it is light and fluffy, and that is what makes it quite airy and light as a cookie. So the lighter and the fluffier it is, the better, because it just creates that bit of aeration in the cookie. But be mindful not to overbeat the cookie mixture. Watching this back, I cannot handle the crumbs on this counter. I am so sorry. It is disgusting. I promise it did get all cleaned up and it is all nice and spotless now. But oh my gosh, my mixer is just out of control and it flings everything everywhere. So I do apologize, but I promise it does get cleaned up. And I'm never going to do this camera angle again. I have learnt my lesson. So now that the sugar and butter mixture is all creamed together, we are going to slowly fold in the flour mixture just in a few sections, about 3 or 4 sections, kind of just popping in a little bit at a time, folding it all together until it is all combined. Then we will add in the chocolate chip cookies, again folding that in, really trying to keep the air in. And once that is all done, we can section them off into their little trays, pop them in the oven for about 7 to 12 minutes, and it's cookie time, which I'm very excited for. Now, I'm going to quickly say, if you guys don't know what folding is, oh my gosh, so relatable, but if you have not seen that Schitt's Creek episode, I highly recommend watching it because every time I think of folding now, that's all I think of. I think of 2 people going, what is folding? I'm sorry, what? Just fold it in. What does that mean? What is folding? Hilarious. Oh my gosh, please watch it. Essentially, if you don't know what folding is, all it is, you're kind of going in a sweeping motions very lightly instead of kind of mixing it all together. You're going to be going kind of around the bowl, under, kind of scooping under and then folding on top. So that's the kind of motion you're doing. You can do it in various ways, whatever feels most comfortable for you, but essentially you're trying to keep a lot of the air in. So you're being very soft and gentle, kind of folding on top of itself in a downwards and then on the top kind of motion. Bit confusing when I'm doing like this. I will show you guys what I mean, but that is what they're referring to, because if you don't know what it means, you really don't know what it means. Like, what is folding? I'm sorry, what do I like? It makes no sense. I really related to that so hard when I saw it. But yes, let's fold in these flour and chocolate chips and get these cookies ready to go. So that is how I make my famous chocolate chip cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you do try them, let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? Do you like them as well? I am very curious. They are my favorite, but I am open to know how you guys like your cookies. So yeah, comment down below if you're going to make them or if you have and what you thought. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I would love to see you guys back here. And that is all from me, and I will see you next time. Bye!